Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create worlds in Hytale game, and I will also explain the world settings. So here follow the steps. So first of all, launch the Hytale game through the Hytale launcher and then click on this worlds. You can see three worlds option over here and you can see create world option over here. So the first adventure world is unavailable during the early access. So you can't create a world in adventure currently. Now let's see the exploration world. So you can give any name that you want to create. For example, explore 1. You can give any name and then click on create world to create the exploration world. Now let's check out this exploration world settings. So click on this gear icon and here you will see PVB and here you will see the options PVP. Let's find out what is this PVP. So the exploration world settings is this world is for free roam exploration with either friends or solo. You can enter any name of your choice. Now the PVB means tick this option to enable PVB player versus player interaction in your world. Fall damage is already selected by default. Tick this option to enable fall damage, which will cause the player to take damage upon falling from a height, including death from the extreme drops. Day and night cycles. You can see here are 0.5x, 0.75x, 1x, 1.5x and 2x. What is this means? Day and night cycle control the speed at which the day-night cycles occurs. Between these options, 0.5x, 0.75x, 1x, which is default, 1.5x and 2x. Now the inventory penalty on death. You can see none, drop all and partial drop. What does defines? Defines the inventory penalty to apply upon the player's death. None means the player won't drop items upon death. Drop all means the player will drop all their inventory items upon death. And partial drop means the player will only drop items configured to drop on death by a certain amount. Now resource loss on death. You can see resource loss percent on death. You can toggle it to 50%, 55% as per your requirement. Select the percentage of resource lost upon death, only available with the partial drop inventory penalty option chosen. Now durability loss percent on death. This is the last option, durability loss percent on death. You can here also select the percentage of item durability lost upon death, only available with the partial drop inventory penalty option chosen. And then you can click on apply settings after this, and then you can play the game in exploration world. Now let's check out the second world. It is a creative world. Again you can give any name, for example creative 1. This is just an example, and then click on this settings icon and here you will see these options. So let's find out what are all these options. In creative mode you will find three options: creative hub, generated world and flat world. So creative world settings is just like Minecraft. Creative mode allows you to play the code with the built-in sandbox option. You can enter any world name. Creative mode, select the creative world mode between these options: creative hub, generated world and flat world. You can see creative hub, generated world and flat world. Now let's find out what is creative hub, generated world and flat world. Creative hub is just as the name suggests, allowing you to select between different biomes. Generated worlds creates a predefined world for you to explore, and flat world creates an empty realm that allows you to add objects and items to experiment with to your heart's content. You can also access creative builder option in each of these modes, which allow spawning things using dev tools and more. Now what is NPCs? NPCs, tick this option to allow NPCs to spawn in the world. And pause time, tick this option to allow pausing the passage of time in the world. And then you can click on apply settings and then you can click on create world. So let's create the world in exploration world to show you the example. So go to exploration, here type explore 1 and then click on create world. You can see it is booting server. Just wait, it will take some time. Booting server enabled, it will again take some time, please wait. Now it is loading world, wait for chunks. Now here the world has been created, and then you can play the game. I have muted the sound. Press F to open the gate, and here is the world. So by this way you can easily create a world in Hytale, and I have also explained the Hytale world settings. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.